Hello everyone, this is Barkat Khan, founder of Mr. Khan Digital, which is a top website development, digital marketing, and AI automation agency. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go to your WordPress dashboard or go to the login page without going to Hostinger and clicking dashboard or WP admin here. So let's suppose if this is my website and I want to go to the dashboard and go to the backend by logging in. So simply what I'll do, I'll just put slash next to the URL and I'll put wp hyphen admin and I'll click enter. So here you can put your email address or username, and here you can put your password and you can click login and you can open your WordPress backend. Thank you so much.